It's like 150,000 with all this rap, wide body kid stuff.
Yeah.
And this what you gonna put in it?
Yeah. Is he doing shoulders right?
Oh, nah, he old school now. Oh.
And if you can guess what famous movie I was in.
Just turn it up.
Okay.
Good. That's banging.
Y'all too old. Why you need people to hear music on the outside? Cause we fun. Santa Clarita Auto Sale did it again. What the? What's wrong with your music, man? Why the song sound like that?
What do you mean sound like that? They ain't banging enough?
You like that? Like you okay with that?
Well, actually,
like you ride with me, you hear mine.
Yeah.
And you could get in this.
Yeah, well, I wish I had a better bass, better sub.
God, bro. We gotta go to Henry and see if he could upgrade that.
Yeah, you want to check out what I got going on right now?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay, all right, let's go check it out.
Let's see what you got, man. What you got? Let's see. Hurry, go ahead.
What, dude?
You got circle speakers?
Yeah.
What we living in? 1990? I had this type of speaker in 1990, man. You know what I mean? What
They're
is
called
this?
ours, though.
Hold on. 100,000 plus thousand car. This is like 150,000 with all this rap, wide body kit stuff.
Yeah.
And this what you go put in it?
Yeah.
So like people can get these speakers $300.
Okay.
You can't have that in 100,000 plus car. Henry, hey Henry, what's this we got up in here, man? What you gotta hook my boy up, man. I know he was being cheap, you know what I mean? He was just trying to be a nice guy, but we need some more speakers. What we got for him, Henry, we could put up in there?
We could definitely upgrade it to the L7 subwoofers.
There we go.
The 12 inches.
Square, right? Those are square speakers.
Yeah,
that's what he need. They get the comp R's. Come on, man. This is what they put in Hondas and Toyotas, Henry. We got to upgrade them, man. Let's see what we got. What we got over here? Something. Let's see.
So we can upgrade.
Oh, there we go. That's like what's in mine.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's what's like.
The squares, okay. How much more are these gonna hit, bro?
It's gonna hit much louder, like probably twice as loud.
Cause you put the highs in and that thing sound crazy, but it like lost all the bass.
Yeah, this will add a lot more bass.
Okay, all right. Well, that's what we need.
Hook it up, man. Yeah, he can't be around me with that sorry music, and that goes for anybody. That's why this is my only friend, like, you know what I mean? Even Big Boy, you got to put some music in the TRX or something, man. If I'm riding with it, I gotta hear that knock. I'm deaf, so I need some loud music. This machine actually feels good, but I got to concentrate, squeeze the muscle. Yeah, we got a gum, a hot sauce. Didn't I put a packet? Oh yeah, here we go. What? It's almost full. So that got nootropics in it, and it only got 50 mg of caffeine. But I don't think you get all 50, because it goes through.
Yeah, it's pretty
your
light,
glands.
man. You'll feel it.
I'm chewing one now.
Oh yeah, try one.
Hey,
Work gum,
hey
baby.
boy, trying to try some of Kylie's work. Hey, this is his brand, man. Y'all got to check it out. If you haven't checked it out, check this out. And you see what? Hey, show them where we at. We in the gym, baby. We ready to put in this work.
That's why I'm over here yapping up the storm. Oh yeah. Woo! Feeling a little strong, but I want to get stronger.
I love it, boy.
Gotta take some Go Wild, man. Gotta take Go Wild, man. Time for the next set. Let's go.
Yeah, you got this. Yeah, you can do this. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Come on, you took that pump. Good money.
Yeah. getting strong again, baby. We're getting strong again. Yeah.
Is he doing shoulders right?
Oh, nah, he old school now. He get a pass.
He get a pass?
Yeah.
He get a pass for doing his shoulders like that?
55, he get a pass.
He get a pass on everything.
Well,
Show us something.
Boxing. How about if I was to spin kick the camera?
oh,
Damn, there we go.
See that, boy? He know that for real.
I know. That's why I want to see it.
I love it.
Instead of that Bruce Lee. They want to see that Bruce Lee. Oh!
That's a side kick.
Yeah.
That's how you get them. You don't know nothing about
You
that.
got a jumping kick in you?
Cats next day would be just all they did. You got to know how to throw the going backwards, forward. Then you got to be able to switch. Backwards, forward. Then you got to be able to throw it. Switch. Wham.
If anybody watching can guess his age, I'll send you something. A free gift. I'll send you something. If anybody can guess his age.
And if you can guess what famous movie I was in.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I like that. You got to answer both of them and I'll send you something. What about, you got a jumping kick in you?
Oh man, I haven't did a jumping kick in ages.
Ages.
That's what these big bees on.
Akuma does it.
And Akuma can do it, which is why he is an animated character on a cartoon.
Yeah.
Got you.
Oh, okay.
OG wisdom. You want to show him a little arm, no?
I mean, do you want to show him a little arm?
Show him a little arm, man. Well, it ain't little. I got a measure. I think they back up to 22 and a, no, 21 and a half. You got to get them for 22 for 2022.
All right, man. See what we got.
Nicer box.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yo, Callie, hop in, man.
Here we go with this sorry sound system you got.
What are you talking about? They just hooked me up, bro. They just got it
I'll be
right.
the judge of that.
Yeah, yeah.
What you got here?
Turn it up,
I
man.
wouldn't have did that. Kali Muscle, Hyphy YT, clowns. Let's
Just turn it up.
Okay.
Good. That's banging.
Woo. Damn.
Yeah. That's banging.
Why? Somebody say, why y'all too old? Why you need people to hear music on the outside? Cause we fun. We the club.
Damn.
God damn.
It's crazy.
Crazy, man. Santa Clarita Auto Sale did it again. They make sure we be the funnest motherfuckers in the world. Let's see what we got. Well, let's see what he did to do it, man.
What'd you do, man? Cause that thing's hitting like crazy now, man.
That's
So-
bananas.
We upgraded the subs to the 212-inch kicker L7 S subwoofers. We also upgraded the amplifier to the 3600 watt kicker amp.
3,600 watts.
3,600
Hold on,
watt.
how much is mine, man? How much is mine?
It's the same one.
Okay, yeah.
We also upgraded all the wires to the 0 gauge with like the really thick wires.
Oh man,
Nice.
that's what's
Well,
up.
Hell yeah.
Santa
Can we
Cruz
see
Auto
something?
Sound.
Shout out to Kicker too, man, hooking us up like that. Let's see what we got there, boy. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful.
Wow. That's sick, dude.
Man, that's a hell of a setup, man. That's why it sounds so good. And we don't care what nobody say on the internet. We should have got audio tech. We should have got, what's the other one they be talking about? What's the other speakers they talk about?
JL.
JL.
Sundown. Yeah, all these
Yeah,
brands.
all that shit. This shit, ghetto-fied knocking like how it was for me in the early 2000s, because I was in prison all the 90s. So the early 2000s, when I got out, you heard me from a mile away. I'm the old cool dad. My kids gonna be able to say, our dad cool. He got music. Hypey Whitey, him and Hypey Whitey, me and Hypey Whitey gonna be 50, 60 years old. Well, guess what? With music in the car, lights and all that. Don't be jail. Let's try to read the auto sound hooked us up. Be at the jewelry store dropping the bag. City of birds, better keep an extra bag. You hella mad cause your pockets are flat. 211 on me, your head was flat. Pockets every day is all they respect. Shooting the weekend, crushing the box next. Hustle hard, supercars, I'm sorry, you was sorry, you was sorry. Got this stuff, pussy stay where you are. Going loud every motherfucking day. I'm going wild every day.
Sounds crazy, bro.
Yeah, it sounds really nice.
Yeah.
Close it now. Close it and get in. Yeah, that's it. There it goes. Yeah, that's it. Hold on. His sound better than mine now, man. We gotta make some adjustments. His on 24 is beating right here. Look at that. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's sick.
That's it right there.
You got me right.
Wow.
That's right. Oh yeah, it's shaking now. Yeah, that's it.
When I get goosebumps, it's fantastic.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.